Masha tiptoes in the bear's big kitchen, saying, "Let me help, I've got a mission." Bear sighs softly, "Okay, fine," and hands her eggs just one at a time. But crack goes one, splash goes two, eggs roll everywhere, oh no, no. Floor flies up like snowy rain. Masha laughs, bear groans in pain. She opened sugar too fast, too strong. A sweet volcano erupts along. Whoosh! It bursts like a sugary cloud. Masha cheers, "Wow, that's really loud." Butter slips, the bowl goes flying. Bear just watches, almost crying. Masha spins with a happy shout. This is what baking's all about. Finally, Bear says, "Let's clean, my friend." Masha nods, "Okay, the fun will never end." Together they bake